Hey everybody, it's Richard RMAutodiag, and what we've got here is from the Vpecker review. Everyone's been asking about a lot of different cars. The Vpecker review does have about 10 different vehicles on there. So what I've done is I'm splitting it up into 10 different videos, and I'll put them all out, one for each vehicle, so you can watch each vehicle separately. If you want to check out the review, I'll put a card above, and you can see the full review, which obviously goes through the software and everything else about it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and here's the review. Okay, car number 2, we've got a Citroen C3, and it's a 1.4 diesel, and we are going to have a look at this. It's a 2007. So click on Citroen. We've just got the options of hot function on this or manually select, so we'll do that. It is a C3. See, this is a 2007, but what's in here? We've got another one here. Let's see if this gives us any info. Yeah, we got some stuff there. Give it a rev and it goes up and down. You can select it. Okay, so maybe we had the wrong engine code selected there. Let's say this wasn't an automatic detection one, so you'll have to excuse me for that one. But that's all we have is trouble codes and data. Go back again. And I guess if that is all it's showing, it's not an auto box, so there's not a lot on there. But on the later ones, it is showing quite a lot of things that you can go into. Let's see if it'll let us into anything. Why not? Again, fairly limited there, and it won't do it. So I guess that's the slightly later model. I know this is on a bit of a changeover year. So it looks like for Citroen, certainly in a C3, it works a bit better with some of the later models. But that's not an issue, not a problem. As I say, there's quite a good selection of different Citroens in here. I think it's got most of the models there. So yeah, if I find another later model Citroen, we'll see if we can do anything different.